Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this integral are actually super fast to solve if you just follow the steps. Let's find the value of b right now. First, we need to find the antiderivative of 2x minus 3. That gives us x squared minus 3x, which we will evaluate from 2 to our upper limit b. Now plug in b and 2 to get b squared minus 3b minus the quantity 4 minus 6. This simplifies down to b squared minus 3b plus 2 very quickly. Set the quadratic to 0 and factor it into b minus 1, b minus 2. Solving this gives b equals 1 and 2. Let's go! Well done! Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust given info and check steps to find that option D is correct.